What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. It is so cold today, it's super windy, but we promised Camacho that we would install this today, so that's what we're gonna do. In this box we have the third brake light that goes on the diffuser part of the newer STIs. I personally think that if you have this generation STI or WRX, you definitely need this light. This light is gonna kind of give it like that F1 Indy look. I think that Subaru should have added this light in the first place from the factory, but they didn't, so we're gonna go ahead and install it today. Onguito here, you guys know, is the master electrician out of the group, so he's gonna get started on that. In the meantime, Camacho,
finally.
We're gonna go ahead and show you guys what Camacho got. We mentioned this the last couple of videos, and it's finally here, so we're gonna go ahead and unbox it. Check it out, guys. Oh, what could that be? Can't be a catback. So,
Let's see. Yeah. Oh, heck.
Ooh, so what is this, Camacho?
Downpipe.
Downpipe, guys. You guys remember last week we installed Camacho's Tomei catback? Literally that same day, if not the day before, he actually purchased this NVIDIA catless downpipe. Bam, so there it is, guys. Catless downpipe, and I believe on Camacho's years, you can only go divorced. So they don't sell bell mouth, so he went divorced. NVIDIA. This is gonna be sick, guys. Camacho was actually gonna do a full Tomei turbo back, but oh! He was gonna do a full Tomei turbo back exhaust, but Tomei actually is on back order right now for their downpipes, and Camacho doesn't play around. So
I'm trying to wait.
Yeah, so he just went NVIDIA, and it's here now. So in that box over there, we have all the supporting mods for stage 2. So Camacho's gonna go ahead and unbox that.
All right. Burritos ready?
Another box, Cobb. All right, all right.
So there's a box inside a box.
Another Cobb, nice.
Small one.
All right, let's start with the little one. So we have
Boost controller.
a 3-port boost controller from Cobb. This is a must for stage 2. Well, I guess not a must because Ongo over here doesn't have one, but
What?
it'll make your car run better. The 3-port.
Oh yeah.
So we got the bracket for the short ram intake. We got the coupler, the license plate frame, and then what's this? Oh, this is just the
Oh yeah, it's
just an oil cap.
makes my oil change
A lot
much easier.
And we got the filter. A huevo. Yeah, so that's everything, right?
Yep.
We don't have an exact date on when Camacho's car is going to get tuned and have everything installed. We are going to do the install, but we want to have a set date for the tune so we can do that. But in the meantime, Camacho has everything ready for tune day.
Yep. 2 weeks.
No.
2 weeks? No?
No. Really?
You have no faith on there or what?
We said Camacho doesn't play around, dude.
All right, let's play safe and say 3 weeks.
3 weeks, okay.
3 weeks.
We're doing the adult version of connect the dots.
Fucking no.
Sorry. Color coding the wires.
And
I
then
don't-
where do these go? So do you have to splice these?
I have no idea.
We'll find out.
Camacho kind of messed up when buying this third brake light. It's recommended to get the harness, that way it's just plug and play. So since he didn't, Ongo here is gonna have to, I think, splice these wires to the back of something back there.
And
We
just
got connectors this time, so
So we're doing stuff kind of the right way instead of last time using tape.
I don't know how good they are, but it'll work.
At this point we don't really know what we're doing, but what you do need to do is take out the entire trunk lining, and then if you guys see where Ongo is right now, on this diffuser part there's 4 clips. So there's 1, 2, 3, and 4. You have to get rid of those to be able to pull back that black trim just enough to pop out the cover, I guess. Yeah, it's out. There's the cover, guys. We got the cover out. Now it's time to put in the light and then wire everything up Hopefully Ongo knows how to figure this out, because we don't. Right now I'm gonna go ahead and install this and then feed the rest of the wire through the back wall to Ongo so he can wire it up to the left tail light. Actually guys, before we feed it through, we actually have to install the bracket on the light, that way it holds in there, and then we can go ahead and feed it through. Damn, check out that sunset, guys. We got the brake light in. Now he just has to wire everything up and we should be good. Camacho's gonna flip his car around so that we're under that light over there.
We're still unprepared, even though I thought
Look what you're using, dude.
Dude, I thought we were prepared and we're still unprepared.
Show them what you're using.
They're scissors. Like, check it out, boys. Got the yellow, blue, orange, and red, and black. Check it out. Fuck. If it works, it works. If it doesn't, we'll try next summer.
Oh! That worked.
Dude.
Ooh, it works. Step on the brake.
Dude, it works.
Good job, Ongo. Ongo got it done. And it works. Fuck yeah.
Wow.
Dude, it works. Hell yeah. Ongo's going crazy. So I guess this would be a fourth brake light because you still have that top. Do you have the wing one or no?
No.
No, they don't have them on the wing.
Dude, it looks
Ongo.
Oh look, the little switch makes it not flash. Go.
Yeah, that's better.
More?
Go?
Go.
I think solid.
Really? I like the flash.
You like it? I like the solid. What do you want, Camacho?
See if you can do flash or solid. Flash. Solid.
I'll do flash.
Flash.
So what would you say, scale of 1 to 10, how difficult was this install?
Hard? Not the hardest. Like a 4. 4 to 5.
4 out of 10. So not very hard. If you guys have any questions, hit us up on our Instagram and we will be able to guide you if you're going to do this install. But I definitely think that it looks a lot better. We're gonna go ahead and clean everything up. As you can see, it's already dark and it is so cold out here. Hopefully this gets installed within the next couple of weeks. That's very exciting. I know how much fun it was when we got our downpipes and now it's Camacho's turn.
It's the George Lopez, the OG show.
And then you start jumping on the trampoline. Let us know in the comments what you guys think about that third brake light. I personally think that it's a must on these model STIs or WRXs. We will catch you guys in the next video. Peace out. Oh.